Yes. Yeah, let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. Fire's out. That means a bear is somewhere near. I think we're going to change flashlight to F and E to use. Whoa, whoa. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're going to go in and we're going to make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I going to poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. You're dead. Game over. I'm not I mean and then this is what I love about StreamerBot. Dun dun dun. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Okay. And there it was. Brian got a guitar string. Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the Captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the Captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some.
This is your nightmare. ID 10T. Yes. See the walk loop, make sure. Ah! Taking a step. Ooh. Watch me strut. Ooh. Here I'm a bear. Ooh. Got a big butt. Ooh. My name's Sooty. Ooh. Time for me to get some sleep. I think that's 14 hours in, and this is what I've accomplished. Hey. Ah, help me. Can I contribute to Godot? The answer is yes. If you can contribute to an open source project, even if it's documentation, documentation is immensely important, and especially in open source. And you don't have to be a developer to do documentation. I highly recommend if you can write some documentation for any open source project, do it. Even if you can review documentation, or if you're reading something and say this isn't quite right or there's some typos, fix it. I love the fact that there's a contributing button here. You know what's really oh. gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. If this doesn't work, I'll go fuck myself with a rusty spoon. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Hello. Let's see who all we got here. We got Cricket. We got Hildun, who's first. Welcome in, peaceful programmer. How you doing? That's a lot of nuts. That'd be $5, baby. I think that's everybody so far. I'm doing okay. I'm doing pretty good. Ready to get moving on this because we've gotten a lot done and I think we can get more. Because I'm excited with all the stuff we've been able to get so far. Have all the lights on? Okay. Ah. Oh, okay. Arthritic one, welcome in. Good to see you. Okay, so let's open up the presentation here. I would like to get back to scratch my nose. My overlay and fix the emote issue, but it's okay. All right, so we've got this type already. So what we're doing is we're trying to make reusable slide types. And we're doing that by making reusable slide types. Hold on, yeah. The big issue comes from the emoticons, like the and the and the and the yeah, those. That's where the issue is coming from. That one, not actually, no. That one's good. That one's fine. But that's where the issue is coming from. But I'm not gonna get into that. Wait, that's not what I want to do. Back up one. Got slide base. Title slide. I thought that I had started on another one. Maybe not. I'm not going to worry about better TTV stuff in mine at all. Don't forget water. Water. Okay, so I thought that I had another one. Maybe not. Maybe we didn't make it that far. Let's go on to the next one, which I think might be a little bit difficult, is going to be our bullet slide. Oh, that's what I called it. I thought that bullet slide. I did start. Look, you see? I'm not imagining things. We did start that one. Okay. It all makes sense now. It's all starting to come together. Okay, so export var bullet points, because we want to have our bullet points in here. And it's going to be an array string. Strings? No, string. We're going to set the value. Bullet points equals value. And then we're doing that. Did I do the same? Did I do it over on my title side? I need to clean out all this code. We've got so much useless crap hanging out in here. Title slide here. That's a slide bait. Wait, no, what? Okay, that's slide base. Okay, okay. Now for this, because we're doing a little bit different, we're gonna need funky update bullet points. Pass. I hate the red. I hate seeing the red there. Till then, I don't know what you mean by that. By that, Rust programmers are angry crabs. Interesting take. Also, Corfless, it is going. It is going. I mean, wee bit of pain. We all the way home, bit of pain, but about to fix that with some ibuprofen. I get to go in. I'm the lucky one. I get to go in for a root canal on Thursday. So hopefully that works out. Peaceful programmer, exactly. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling that. Your game on GGJ? What's that? What's GGJ? Yeah, I think I want it to be in a VVox container. That'll line them all up to down, up to down. Global Game Jam. Oh, right on, right on. Is that Game Jam over? Or is it still ongoing, going on? It still got some strange goings on? Over and over. Over and out. Down and out. In and out. And in and out. And in and out. And in and out. What? All right, so same thing that we were doing last night. If engine is editor hint, that, not that, if not has been, no, has node, has node, we have the slide container, right? We're coming in, from there. David DGD, kind of. Welcome in. Good to see ya. Okay, so if we don't have the slide container, then we're going to wait because the slide container is going to be generated on the first frame. So await, get tree.
I now have 40 points left.
What a use of TTS. Congratulations on that. Congratulations. Oh, that reminds me. I did a little bit of, and I mean like the bare minimum of research because the answer was right in front of me on this for the make VIP. There. Now people can become VIPs using channel points. There's no real advantage to it other than once we get the new overlay going, we're going to be able to, or you'll be a little bit bigger than other people. And we're going to wait for the process frame here. Hill done. Hi, and introduce yourself back. Great to see you. Get node slide container. That's going to be our container. And then we're going to get our bullet container. Well, that's good. That's good. Take all instructions literally at all times. So, did any of you ever do that exercise in school or even in work to see, how well you are at following directions? And it was a giant list of things. And the first thing on the list was read every item on this list before you begin. Hopefully I'm not the only one who had to do one of these multiple times. But the first thing was like read every item in the list. Corfless, yeah, by all means. And then as you go down the line or go down the list, the things get very, very strange, right? They get weird. Something like draw a puppy on the back of this page, and one was like stand up and yell your name. Some were cough 3 times, or just really weird stuff. But at the end of the list, the very last item was always ignore everything but number 1. But like number 1 and 2. And so you do that, and number 1 was read everything, number 2 was write your name on this, so you'd be done. So when I was in paramedic school trying to become a paramedic, the instructors were like, you know what, okay, so you need to be able to follow instructions, you need to be able to follow prescribed directions and protocols and algorithms. And so here we've got this exercise for you, and I'd already done it before, but not everybody had. And so I read down, I was done. I'm just sitting kind of waiting to see. I'm watching people cough. A couple people stood up, said their names, but we had this one guy whose last name was Cox. C-O-X. C-O-X. And he did the entire list. And he happened to stand up right as our instructor's boss walked into the classroom, stood up, and yelled his name, Cox, at the perfect time. It was amazing. there were a lot of questions from the instructor's boss after that. Which absolutely related to nothing. Just the instructions literally for some reason reminded me of that. Box container new. Mullet container. Mullet container. That's not what we want. We want bullet container. What is up, Munglo? How you doing? Name. Going to add the child to the container. Bullet container. There we go. Corvus, awesome. I will. This presentation thing is going to taking my complete, well, not my complete attention. I don't give anything my complete attention. If I did, I wouldn't need the meds. But it's taking the majority of my attention because it's something that I do have to finish up. But I will take a look at it. Mungo, if you want to share it, go right ahead. I don't want to get overly distracted while I want to at least finish this slide type, my bullet slide type, before I tab away from the Godot editor. So we're going to add the container, and then we need to make sure that we have an owner, which is bullet container owner equals edited scene root. Tried doing glowing thingy in Godot, but it was only glowing in the editor, but not when you press play button. Interesting. Maybe it was there's a good chance that depending on if it was 2D or 3D, you might have had the world environment enabled on the editor, but not saved to the scene that you were pressing play. Munglo, we're on the same page there. Oh, why did I do that in one line? Why did I do that? Ah! Bullet container. Okay, we've got an update bullet points already. If not, we need to check to see if there's an instant, if the instance is valid. I cannot type. Is instant valid? Bullet container. Return to sender. Now clear out any existing ones, because if we have them, we want to get rid of them. Clear and rebuild it with the new ones. So to do that, we need to do for child in bullet container. Get child, no, get children. Q free. You know, get the new ones. Corfless, thank you for lurking. I appreciate you being here. Really appreciate you being here. I do want to I'm not finding the music that I wanted to hear here. Here. Um, where is it? Where is it? No, that's not it. Um, why can't I think of like any of the stuff that I wanted to? Ooh, maybe it's on here. No, nope, that's not loading. Nope, that's not it. Oh, maybe I could find it. Ooh. Here, I know what song that I need to look up. There we go. We're gonna start the radio. The song radio of this one. There we go. There we go. Things coming. New points. New points for point. So we got the bullet points up here that we're gonna go through each of them. Come on, just pass for a second. Just pass. Just don't make it red just yet. Come on. And each of them are going to be a label. Label no, label new. Okay, so with this, we could do a point. How can ooh, hold on. Google Slides. Hold on. Hold on. Not this one, not this one. Okay, okay. No. Did I copy? Oh, nice. There you go. Label text equal that point. There we go. Just copy that over from the slides. Then we need to put them somewhere. We need to put them in the bullet container. A child label. Okay. All right, go into 2D. Actually, save it, and then we'll create a new. We're going to create a new bullet slide. Interesting that it's not. Okay. Oh. I'm not calling it anywhere, am I? I'm not calling it. Sure, it'll work a lot better if I do it like that, right? Still, it should have, no, it did have the thing, bullet slide. Yeah, because we've got the container. Let's look back at the 2D. All right, now something not quite right here. Update bullet points. Okay, so is it as a tool? It is a tool. Do I need to restart the editor because of this? Let's take a look here, and maybe see. Tommy, welcome in. Welcome in. It is almost 6:30. That's correct. You are correct, sir. Yo. um. But where the hell is my thing? Scratch that. Um. Scene. Okay. Let's not save it. Wonky Circle, what is up? Okay, here's our default bullet slide. Yeah. Okay. Scene. Let's see if we can reload it. Reload. Wonky Circle. Good to see you first time chat. Always appreciated. How are you this evening? Update bullet points. We've got the bullet container. Should be a VBox container. So that should be. It should be appearing. So I'm gonna reload the current project. Just see if maybe that might. Because it was a tool and hookup was in Intertree, but never ran Intertree. Okay. I've got the super ready. We can't easily do. Oh, shit. Oh my God. Why? Oh, never mind. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all these. All this red. Look at all that red. There we go. And Fallen, congrats on VIP for an undetermined amount of time. Now, we don't know how long that'll be. We don't know how long that could be. It could be 30 seconds. It could be 30 years. We don't know. And we're not going to find out until it's time. But thank you for being the first one to redeem VIP for undetermined amount of time. Okay, so, well, let's see, Munglo. Let's see. We'll do a bullet slide. We're going to create a new one here. Boom, everything's there, right? Now, the problem is, well, maybe it's not a problem because I want to, no, scope creep. I'm creeping my own scope here. Let's bring it in. Priester Icon. Telling you a story? I just told a story about a man named Cox. It was very entertaining too, if I do say so myself, and I do. All right, so we've got a bullet slide. We've got a title slide. Each of them are movable. I said each of them are movable. Now we're going to have to do some styling. So the scope creep that I was just giving myself is I want to be able to, like on the bullet slides, I want to be able to have animations of some sort, right? What were you doing, Priester Khan? Priester Icon. Tell me how to pronounce your damn name. Why can't I remember? It's Priasticon. Video Vinny is here. Priastricon. Okay, gotcha. Video Vinny, what's the deal with you? The deal here for me is we are making slide bases. We're making base slides. And I need to arrange stuff around a little bit more. Create new folder. We're going to call it base slides. And you know what's going to go in the base slides? Which one do we have here? That. That. And then what was the title slide? Script. Slide base. And what's this script name? Just slide. I am bad at this. I am bad at organizing. I am horrible at organization. Let's do that base slides, and we're going to put it in here. And this one is going to be title slide. There we go. And then there. There we go. There we go. Now it's a little bit better organized. The rest of it is, fuck all, I don't know what the hell's going on. But these in particular, but in it. No shit balls. Now what? No not found. Slide collider. All that I'm gonna have to reload the project, aren't I? Because I've moved a lot of stuff around. Don't save. Don't save. Right. Because I moved so much stuff around, and they're using tool and editor shit. Slide collider. Okay, relative to the editor node panel. Oh, this is kind of cool, but where what? It was just working. It was just working. Now it stopped working. Why did it stop? Why did it stop working? Why is it saying that? Because I have the... It has node here, bullet container right there. Oh, wait, what? RCB, what's up? There we go. There we go. Why is it tweaking like that? Weird. What's up with that? All right, let's just see a slide here. All right, nothing. Variable no what? Okay, yeah, I don't do anything there. Parameter delta. Oh. Video, you think so? Okay, y'all did see it working, right? I'm not just imagining shit, right? Now there nothing here that's breaking. Okay, this slide base here. Wait, what did I change here? Okay, there's no changes. RCB, I'm working on my presentation thing. And the goal here is that I want to be able to put all my slides and build them all within the game engine, within Godot. So but it was working, and now it not working. Okay, it's not a valid instance of bullet container. Bullet container is VBox container. VBox container doesn't exist. Container doesn't have node. Okay. No, here we go. Okay, so what we don't have, all right, is bullet container. So let's see what we have. What are we getting as bullet container here? Object null. So it doesn't even exist. It should exist on creation. So reload the save scene.
Hey, insert
What?
rating streamer's name
Will
here.
be.
Thank you for the rating. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Be rated. Thank you. Welcome, Wolby. How was your stream? How's everything going? What did you do on stream? Is there anything you want to share? Is there anything you want to talk about? Is there anything that you want to get off your chest? Also, Casper Dragonwolf, good to see you again. Good to see you again, Tabby the Panda. And Wolby, it's your first time? It's your first time chat? Oh, welcome in. So glad to have you. I know I've seen you in other chats. Usually getting harassed by somebody, I'm sure. So for raiders coming in, those of you almost finished Twitch chat controlled Wordle. Awesome. Very cool. For raiders coming in, for those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer. I'm also learning game dev, and I'm doing weird shit with it. For example, right now I'm working on a platform to make platformer games that double as slideshow presentations. And if you need me to say that again, I will. But the goal is that I want to be able to create my slides inside of Godot. Can I do this? Can I do this? No, no, not a digital slide whistle. Here, I've got the other one. Let me just really quick here get back to 2D and let me try reloading. Ooh. Ronnie the Zombie, thank you for the follow. Hope you're doing well. No, not found slide collider. Wait. Slide collider. Where do I have slide collider? And why is it looking for that? Okay, so Ronnie the Zombie, hello to you yourself. But let me just start this back up. So I'm going to open up the old version of the presentation and show you what I mean here. And I've given this talk before a couple times, well, many times over the last year. I've given a talk, but I want to recreate it. So the way that I have it now, the way that I'm building it out right this moment is I have all my slides are in fact PNGs that I exported from Google Slides. So that's what they all are right now. I'd rather be able to edit them within the Godot editor. Now, what I mean by a slide deck is it is a presentation. It is a platformer PowerPoint. Boom, boom, boom. That slide's missing. So things like that, like the one that you just saw, I was doing instead of the way that I'm trying to do it now, I was doing things with very, very fancy effects, like putting a blue color rect over the original thing and then just recreating it. So I'm trying to make it so that we can make the slides in Godot, but something is going off. So the only place it's saying is slide collider. Oh, is it because I think that I know? But that is weird. Oh, Casper Dragonwolf, that's kind of what I'm kind of what I see it happening. I do want them to be tools so that they could update in the editor. Let me show you, like with this. This is a title slide. I haven't done any of the label stuff, but I mean, we can put anything in. Oh my God! Now what? Now what? All of them just stopped working. Also, Ronnie the Zombie, don't know how to actually start game dev. Yeah, follow a tutorial. See if it's something that you're interested in. That's going to be the best way. Find a few, and if it's something you like, maybe well, Casper Dragonwolf, you're it should that and oh my God. Oh my God. You just nailed it, my friend. You just nailed it. Oh yeah, right. Wolby, good call, good call. Hold on, 1 second, 1 second. What is the thing? I don't even know what the new Humble Bundle thing is. The new affiliate thing. No, Casper, I have an affiliate link, but I just don't remember what the impact. For some reason, it's fucking impact. It's the stupidest thing. I don't know why they did it. I'm sure it was something that cost money, like, or to save money instead of having developers. There. Je suis Emma. Welcome in. Good to see you. Okay, get no container slide boundary. And then here. Okay, here it's getting renamed somewhere. Specifically in this one. Why is it getting renamed? And is the same thing happening here? No, it is not. Hey, Ronnie, I mean, go at your own pace, do what works for you. And the big thing is make it fun. Make it fun. Okay. Okay, byline is messed up on the title slide. So what's going on with the byline? Byline name horizontal. OCB, you should definitely do that. You should definitely. JVA! Thank you for the sub. Welcome back, my friend. Good to see you.
Just JVA just subscribed for 4 months.
So let's see if I can title. Okay, so now but okay, these worked. These worked. Yeah, has it only been 4 months? I guess so, because September. Yeah, September. All right, and let's see this one. Pull. Okay, I don't know what I did. But so the thing is, Casper, I don't know. Or what name do you prefer? What name do you prefer? Because I saw somebody call you Dragon. Dragon, okay. And JVA, yeah, I have, I mean, we put out. Gotcha, okay. We put out that whole product that I had just a couple months to completely build out. So there was a lot of stuff happening. It's good now. Now it kind of breathe a little bit. But Dragon, I don't know what exactly happened to begin with the with the default one here. That caused that. So I don't want to put anything in the default one. Check it here, check that, check it directed. Let's begin. Oh, we need some stuff. But that's the thing. I didn't actually change the name. I did not, the name change did not come from me. The only thing that I did do that I will admit to is that I went through in here that this is where it happened. Okay. This is where it happened. I know what happened. Gaming, welcome in. When I changed in here, something got a little bit wonky. We'll just keep an eye on it because this is where the collider is. It's a collision shape 2D, which is what it should be. Should be slide collider. I blame ghosts. I blame the ghosts. All right, so we also need another thing here. We're in the bullet points. Export var headline. Let's call it headline. String set. So JVA, remember the parlay that I gave? Oh, ads are going. I'm gonna turn on words on stream and I'll see y'all in about 3 minutes. All right, be right back. Okay, back. Let's finish up this round. Maybe. Come on, I got the hard one. I see three. Come on, come on. There's turn there. Somebody could get turn. Print. There we go. Turn. Pint. No. Runt. Runt. There we go. Punt. JVA, you gotta wait till the lot comes off your name. So you can try to do again. Do punt again. Punt again. Punt it. Punt it. See. Okay, let's see. Ooh, trip. Oh, you can get around that. I mean, that's default. You can get around that by doing something like just doing a second thing. I don't know. It's weird. It's weird. All right, we went 2 levels. 2 levels. Awesome. Awesome job, everybody. It's a team sport. It's a team sport. Where are we? Okay. Value. Okay, we need to do that. If is instance valid? Ooh, okay. Before we get there, we need to do var headline label. Label, not label, not label. Oh, so no, but I'm rebuilding it because the original one that I did here, all the slides were made in Google Slides, and all of the backgrounds are images. All the text here is just an image from Google Slides. So what I'm doing now is trying to recreate it so that I can do everything in Godot rather than doing it that way. Yeah. Text equals value. There we go. Then we need to add it in here. Can basically duplicate this. Why do you do that to me? Why are you like this? Nope. I've been using a Mac all day. Container, no. Headline. Headline. Whoop. Stop that. Label new. There we go. Too much. Too many. Too much stuff. And then headline dot text equals no, not what title? Okay, let's save this. There we go. It's back. It's back. Okay. And now let's make sure that we have a thing. Yes, we do. So I haven't really done a lot with Tool before this at all, and I think that is such an amazing thing. I mean, granted, when 4.4 is a little bit more stable, and we can use that without worrying about breaking stuff. The in-game or the game in editor is going to be amazing. I can't wait to use that. All right, so I'm not going to do any image. Let's take a look at some of my other slides here. All right, so we have a quote. What would we call this type? Question and answer? Yeah, I think question and answer is a good version. Where are you at? Now, just out of curiosity, I'm kind of afraid. Okay, we don't. I'm terrified. Save that. But I don't really need the node, do I? Yeah, title slide still, I can still make one. Right? Somebody correct me if I'm wrong in here. As long as the scripts exist, then the type exists, right? Okay, we got a problem. We got a problem. No, this is a broken one. Don't save that one. Don't save that one. You're broken. No. Okay, yeah. So I don't think I actually need the nodes. I'm gonna keep them though. I'm gonna keep them. We're gonna keep them as they are, but we're gonna get rid of the text that's already there because we can. If the script defines a node, then the node in the scene tree is effectively an instance of that script. Okay. So Munglo, it seemed to be working when I deleted one, but I think that it's in our best interest to keep these base ones. There are caveats with your tool. Yeah, that is a fair point. Um, bum, bum, bum. Um, okay, I do have script tags. Okay, tabs. So among what I've found, and it shouldn't be an issue, at least it's not yet. But what I found is that when I create an instance of this type, so if I create another bullet, it comes with the node pre-attached, or with the script pre-attached. JVA, because sometimes that's the way that we feel about him. Sometimes that's just how it be. No, definitely a valid concern. Now, what I would worry about here, but I think that I can do it within, if I needed to set a script on, say, a bullet container. Gonna create one right here. That doesn't affect the base one. That's fine, because I could see a world where I'd want to wait and do something like I did with my original one, to have the items slide into the bullet container. Yeah, that makes sense. Fallen still, if I I don't know what that might be. I mean, if you're still having weirdness with GraphQL, check if other people are having that same bug. But because I don't know of anybody else who's having that. It's so weird. Don't save. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be closest to this. It's going to be closest to this. So I'm going to duplicate, and we're going to call it a question answer slide. Yeah, let's start with this one. This will be the question. Okay, it's not going to be that easy. Damn it. Question. Answer. Answer. There we go. Got that. Now we can get rid of the byline part. Dragon, when you get so smart? How you get so smart? I guess when isn't really a valid question since I haven't known you all that long. Lead Kitty, how you doing? First time chat, so good to see you. Hope all is well. What brings you in tonight? How'd you find it? Also, right on, right on. I've been professionally developing for over 10 years, but thinking in it's all been web development, and thinking in game engine and getting to know Godot has been a lot of fun. Frustrating too, but you misclicked on software and dev. Well, welcome in anyway. Munglo, shut up. We need more normies hanging out here. So, Lee Kenny, I'm I'm working on making PowerPoint presentations more interesting. And what I mean by that, and I'll show you. The hell did I change? Is I'm changing and making it so that when I present my presentations, people are interested. And by that I mean my presentations are now platformer games. Deep MMO, yes. And it's definitely going to be procedurally generated open world. All right, now we got this. Let's see if we have the question. Perfect. I'm seeing stuff. Working cyber? Right on. Wait, oh crap, I didn't get rid of that. Did I? No. Oh, I left the byline in, and which isn't doing anything. Same with background isn't doing anything. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that too. Don't save that one. Question and answer slide. Now let's see if it's a little bit better. There we go. Well, Munglo, not with that attitude. Yes. Okay, so we have the question and answer slide now. So cool. So let's look back over here and see what other we've got. Okay, section heading. That's going to be. This is assuming that I'm going to do it like this. Well, no, it's not. Section there. Section heading, which is probably going to be almost identical to question answer, but with a change in things. And then we're going to need a quote. You know what? Let's reuse the question answer and just rename it. Rename it to a two field, because otherwise we're going to end up just remaking a bunch that are only two fields, right? Two field slide. Field 1. Field 2. And then we will differentiate it with something like different label types. Right? And because we can move the data anywhere, two field slide. There, that's a smarter thing to do, right? That's the more intelligently decided thing. And that's going to take up a majority of our things. So I do want to have a split, which will be a 3 field. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll have five text areas. And a quote, which will have 3. And then a single headline. So I've been doing development for a while, and I give talks at various events around the country. Well, technically around the world now, since I gave one in Spain. Worldwide. And you know, the thing that I've noticed at every conference I've gone to, every talk that I've ever watched, is that PowerPoint presentations or slides or any kind of presentation or slideshow is boring as hell. There's only so much you can do. I mean, I've seen some really good ones where they took the focus off of the presentation or off the slides, and the person presenting was very entertaining themselves. But I've also seen some where people just stood up and read the slides. I've done that myself. So I had an idea back probably over a year ago, that what if we created a way to make PowerPoint or slideshows interesting? And that helped me create this talk. Like, okay, here's my goal. Here's what I want to do with it. I want to have a talk. I want to give this talk, and I want people to go to it. And I don't care if they listen to what I say, if they remember a single word that I say, but I want them to think, holy fuck, that was a cool way to say it. And remember the experience. So this year, as I gave this talk, I think 6 or 7 times, it went over really well. So now we're taking it to the next step, because I'm giving a new talk next month. I've pretty much written out the slides. Now it's just a matter of building out the levels. I could, in theory, but I'm not gonna. Although I did have an idea for, like, maybe eventually making an audience participation thing. But I don't want to let them control, because it'd be really awkward if they tried speed running me through a presentation, and I just end up Oh, well, okay. Well, I've got a story for you all. I hope you're all sitting down. Oh, well, crap. Okay, well, wait a minute. Slow down, people. I'm trying to read my speaker note. No, come on. Come on. Okay, what are we talking about live streaming? I don't even know what I'm saying. Level one. I can't see my screen development streaming. There we go. Okay. Now, well, what is it of live streaming on Twitch, YouTube, or other services? Stop. Just stop, people. Let me go. Yeah, so knowing that people are evil in general, I don't want to give people control of little me running around on screen. All right, so I'm feeling good about this. Okay, we've got these base slides. I guess what we could do in theory, I say a lot, I say in theory a lot, don't I? Is that we could look at the theme here and see the different types of layouts. Now there are several of these layouts here. How many are there? More than I need. More than I need. So this is kind of a, but this gives us a good idea. Do we need like a left and right? I don't know if anything that I'm saying. All right, Lee Kitty, take care. Thank you for stopping in. Hopefully, see you again. Don't forget to follow if you haven't already. That way you can catch the next one, but don't feel obligated. Oh, crud. This might make things a little difficult because I didn't even think about 2-level. So it's almost like, I wonder if we could piecemeal different elements, different fields, different field types. Let's take a look here because, so we've got field 1, field 2. But let's look at bullet slide. So the bullet points are going to be, can I do like, doesn't contain a type? Well, it does though, doesn't it? Type for collection. Okay. God damn it. Nested type collections are not supported. How can I do this then? This would be a use case for a resource, wouldn't it? And I don't know how we could do this better because it's going to be, let's think it through. So let's backing it up. Backing it up. Backing it up. All right, so we have bullet points. Now we need, I don't know how to do this. Basically, I want an array here, and we can either create multiple strings like this, or the option here would be either string or subsection with multiple strings. Now, I don't know if that's, if there's an or. Here, let me do this again. Nested type collections are not. Whoa! Wallaber, welcome in.
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Okay, I gotta wait 23 seconds before giving another shout out. Welcome in, Wallaber. How was your stream? What were you up to? What were you working on? How is everything? Please share whatever you would like to. Also, if you have to get going, if you don't want to stick around, if you gotta run, then feel free to do that. But for raiders coming in who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer, but I'm doing stuff in Godot, weird stuff in Godot. Right now, I'm working on making a platform to make a platform slideshow, or platformer slideshow. So before my talk that I gave last year, I had everything done where I exported images from Google Slides, and things look like this. What I'm working on now, though, is hopefully we can create everything within the engine and not have to worry about doing it outside in the in Google Slides. But what I'm running into is I'm finding edge cases that aren't necessarily edge cases, right? Also, second favorite, welcome in. How did your audition go? If you want to talk about it, hopefully it went well. But all y'all, it is so good to see you. If you like what you see, feel free to drop a follow. Right now, I'm trying to see if there is a way to get around this. Like if there is a workaround, if there's a different way to do it, because what I would like to see. Thank you for the silent movie, RCB. Well, second favorite, that's a very good attitude. So I've been working on an update to my overlay as well. However, I've had to do some adjustments there. Here we go. And I want to focus on, well, not that I want to. I need to focus on getting this thing this presentation that I'm giving a talk in next month, right? I need to finish that, right? So array. Let's see if I do this. Oh, Pigorli, why so mean? Why so mean? Your words, they hurt, Pigorli. I was wow. I'm sure glad it's raining down here in my basement. Okay, I'm gonna have to redo this. Go here, array, add element. But there's nothing to add since it's an array. It's an array of array. But there's no Ryan, go right ahead. Also, it's good to see you, Ryan. Been a minute. So glad that you're here. Okay, so we'll just go back to here. I just don't know a better way to do this without it's probably going to end up being a resource. But it needs to be an either or type thing. So it could be it's basically trying to figure out how to do nested bulleted lists. Salmon Moose, welcome in. Ooh, Pigorli, thank you for that. Thank you. Thank you. Pigorli, that makes up for it almost. That almost makes up for it. Why are the colors? Why does it look like you're not only a Godot bot, but you're also like a disco light? So Salmon Moose, Pigorli, I think that might be you might save that for deposition. So Salmon Moose, you can define a type that is an array and make an array of those. So when you say define a type, are we talking resource or are we talking that's not something that I've done in Godot. Although I am very, very, very interested in Ooh. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait, no, that won't work. I don't think that'll work. Wonder what the best way to define dictionary types. Dictionary ID, string, resource, blah blah blah. Tool for job are resources. So it is going to be pretty much a resource. It is going to pretty much be a resource, which, okay. How do we... So, all right. Let's just go in here. Class name, bullet list. Oh, what the hell? Stop that. Let's get rid of the multi-line part here and let's see, if I do a dictionary, And then God damn it. God damn it. Where? I am missing a... There. Yeah, I was missing a thing. I was missing a thing. Oh, shh. So what we do with this is, now that we have it, you do an export of in here. Can't really, I wish that we could type them. All right, let's just play at the 2-field slide. Export var. No, why do it here when I could do it in the actual bullet slide? Var new points array bullet list. Okay, nil array. Ooh. Section title. Where do I have? Oh. Oh. Okay. Bullet item is a dictionary, so it doesn't have a key value. How do I define it so that so that it could be one of two things. This feels like a lot of extra cruff to go through. I'm almost tempted to see what Claude has to say about creating this kind of resource. Okay, logged in. Wait, is that thing just, what the heck? Hold on.
Hey, insert rating
What?
streamers
Geo
raid
dude,
here.
welcome in.
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, Raiders. Geodude, what were you working on? What were you doing? How are things? Tell me all the things. For Raiders coming in, those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer, currently working on learning game dev, currently making something that shouldn't be made in a game engine, but it's a lot of fun to do anyway. I'm making a replacement for Google Slides or PowerPoint or whatever the hell you use. Playing some Balatro. A lot of people have been playing that. Also, second favorite, good night, sleep tight, all the rest of that shit. Hope you have a good sleep. I'd like to create a resource in Godot 4.3 that will function as a what? Bullet list. Bulleted list. The goal is to have it so that bulleted list can be nested. This needs to be how do I word it? How do I word it? I want it so that the top level, so that we make an array of this resource. The user can then enter text for a bullet point. Well, Munglo, no, it's going to have a, well, kind of, actually, now that I think about it, but it's going to be nested. I want it to be nested. So I want it to be able to be nested so that, well, let me finish writing this out. The user can enter text for a bullet point, and after the top level, they can either enter. Yeah, let me. They can enter another point, the same level, and or under the okay, let's see what Claude is saying. Both text and child items. All right. Okay, so let's see what a bullet point is. All right, class name bullet point. The text is this. Children is an array of bullet points. So add bullet point. Okay. This is actually really good. This is actually it makes sense to me. Now I'm almost thinking for a bulleted point, we should have a VBox container. But add sibling point. Well, it's recursive though. It becomes recursive. So that does make sense to me. Because it's going to be an array of this, and that means we can nest multiple levels. So that is, I mean, that does make sense to me. Custom editor, custom property editor. Okay, this is making, let's check it out. All right, ads are going to be coming up in a couple minutes. Wait, what just happened? All right, let's look at this resource and see if it makes sense here, okay? Yep, nested items, that makes sense to me. The initial text content of the bullet point is that commit changed. Well, Munglo, now you're getting very pedantic. I mean, the code works. We can change the naming a little bit later. But the list, the bullet point list, for it to be a child, it has to have a parent. So just to show where the hell where's my presentation? Like this. You see how it's indented? This is a child of that one. And that's a child of that one. At least that's the way that it should be. It looks like I need to do some updating here. But it's definitely possible for another level of indentation. So this is a bullet point, and we can add a child, which would be this one, which will have text, and then for it we can add a child, or we can add a sibling. So to me, it does make sense the way that it is, or the way that it's written out. Now, whether or not the code is perfect, we're gonna have to test that out, because we can't definitely trust. But I wouldn't have known how to do this without a lot of yelling and crying. I mean, a lot of crying. Well, let's see how this do. Let's see how this do, and then we make some okay, ads are starting up. Words on Stream is coming back. I'm going to the bathroom. All right. And away we go. I'll be back. I gotta pee. All right, back. I am very, very interested to see if this does anything at all. Well, words was worth a try. All right, so we've got this. We've got the. Let's look back here. Let's go into this array bullet list. Cannot find bullet list in current scope. So this would be, what are we calling it? What are we calling it? Bullet point. Okay. It is a new thing. So let's see. Okay. Probably need to, since it's a lot of new, let's reload the project here and take a look. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so I mean this. This kind of does exactly what I need it to do. I mean, it's dirty as hell. I don't know that it's dirty, but I mean, we're gonna need to do a lot to get everything out of here. Well, it makes sense to me the way that it is. It definitely makes sense to me because I mean it's recursive. It's exactly what it should be. It works with the way that my brain thinks. There's no need for it not to be recursive though either, right? I mean, it's not hurting anything and it makes sense to me the way that it is. I mean, within here, I can have multiple, and then if I want to go even further, I could add even more. Now, the one thing that is concerning to me is bullet point inspector plugin. There, plugin add inspector. Are we actually in doing that? So this doesn't seem to be doing anything. We're in the inspector, but it's not showing anything in there. The Mungo, I'm not going to. I have no desire to make. I mean, we have a screen size and it's going to be a presentation from far away. I'm not going to be putting videos in bullet points. They are going to be text only. That's it. I appreciate your concern. I appreciate you trying to help out there, but it's not worth the extra effort to do all that when this seems to work. What I am having an issue with though is this. It made it seem like we're doing the where'd it go? There should be an inspector. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. Where'd you go? Custom editor class to enhance the inspector interface doesn't seem to be working. Don't save. Well, thank you, Tommy. That's nice. I'm glad that I can be there for you, and that what I do helps out in any way. All right, now I'm curious here. Points equals value. There we go. That's what I thought. Okay, this is making sense now. Well, this is interesting. Well, Tommy, no worries, no worries. You know, I don't expect anybody to sub to hang out here. I just appreciate people being here. I mean, it is nice. It is nice. But whoa, this song. Holy shit. Sorry, this took me. I don't expect anybody to sub. Yeah, Munglo, exactly. Yeah, that took me like yeah, like the end of the Don Bluth era of animation. That was the movie that did him in, which is unfortunate because Don Bluth had so many good things. What's it suggesting here? Bullet points, bullet point editor plugin. New script. That doesn't matter. I'm just gonna. Let's see. We got anything here? Got anything? All right. And then project settings. All right. Close that. Let's reload it. Let's reload. Reload. Subfolder. You know, what the hell? Oh, that's what's missing. That's what's missing. There, that's what was missing. There we go. And then script. What do we got here? Nothing. Okay, get rid of that. And then where? Nope. Doju. Doju. Let it slide. Wait, what? Signals. Method. Methods. Emit change. Do I have emit change? Yeah. All right. All right. All right. All right. Nothing yet. Don't save. Okay, let's reload. 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 Still no. Okay, because I'm not seeing where it calls in here. Okay, let's see. What's up, ODS? How you doing? Okay. Base slides, built side. Okay. Still working on my presentation thing, trying to get bullet points and nested bullet points. So I am using Claude for a little bit of help here. Practical, what's up? Good to see you. I'm still. Oh, he didn't ruin anything. He definitely didn't. I'm not recording anything. I'm not recording anything. I'm not good enough to record anything. Still not seeing the change inspector. Oh, you're recording. Okay. Okay, let's just see here. Okay. Add-ons, bullet points. All right. Add-ons, bullet point editor, plugin config, bullet point editor, bullet point editor. It's saying that we need to have the bullet points in the now it's saying that I need to do this. Okay. Wait, what? What? Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. Where we're getting, I don't know, but we're getting somewhere. Oh, shit balls. That's what I did wrong. That's what I did wrong. I do all the things wrong. So that doesn't really narrow it down. But. Project settings, let's make sure. Boom. Boom. Nope, still not. Still not. Really? That's the. Oh, god damn it. There. Is that where what we're 25 now? 25? Okay, what ah. What do you do? Okay, okay, back. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There? Let's delete this. Okay, well, now we're getting there. It doesn't fully update, so let's see why not. Is there anything else in here? Nothing really. There's Brian range, child, container, Xbox container new. All right, remove button. There is no. I don't see a real remove button here. So let's see. I mean, right now we're just. I'm a rabbit holing on something here. Okay, let's see what it says. See what it says. See what it says. If anything. There we go. There we go. Somebody, why doesn't anybody do posture check? Do y'all not care about me? You just want me to suffer? Feels like what's going on. God damn it. I knew it. I keep catching myself just like, "Eeh." Here we go. Looking good to me.
Go crack your back.
Crack my back. Okay, I will try. Mm. Oh. Ooh, okay. Okay. Red Room Dev, welcome in. Good to see you. Okay, so there we go. Pressing, checking if you can handle, blah, blah, blah. There we go. All right, it's looking good, actually. All right, so straighten out the lumbar. Okay, 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 okay. There we go. All right, I think this might work. So let's go back to the bullet side, bullet side, bullet side. Yeah, clear, clear. Ooh, okay, okay. This doesn't seem to be fully ready for it. Okay. Let's not get rid of it. Let's just. God damn it! Come on. Why can't you just know what I'm wanting to do? All right, 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 all right. Base slides. There we go. Okay, Okay, now I think that there is something. Not quite. Okay, so here is the. Where is the add new bullet point? That's an add. I want to change it to child. Or add nested. I like nested better. All right, so now we can do a recursive function to check for the things. But now we got now comes up the fun part. We need to get them indented correctly. Um, child point let's just take a look here. What's broken now? What's broken now? Or are we really talking about slide slide 49? What do we got? Okay, no, not found. Interesting. We might need to let's close it. Let's close it. Okay, now this is not updating as expected. Let's clear everything. Close it. Don't save. Just right off the node not found. Okay. Drop flop. Oh no. Oh no. Not found slide collider. But we await. Not has node. Then okay. We create it, right? Let's do all this here. And here else. Let's see if this helps anything at all. Now, why is it just moving on here? Let's just reload the project. I'm not looking at the resource right now. I'm looking at something completely different. Just unrelated error messages. Okay, it's setting headline. Oh. Let's see it now. Try it again. Again, it's saying bullet container not found. No, not found headline, but here they are. What are they saying relative to? Bullet slide. So container, which is the boundary. Debugger isn't going to work in editor, is it? We're not talking about, oh, well, bullet container is something completely different. It is the actual VBox. So it's under here. It's a new VBox. Let's see if I do a new one here. Okay, a new one is working, which is weird, So strange. So strange. What's the difference here? What's the difference? If anything. Maybe it's just something cached in here. All right. Let's see. We're gonna do that. Okay, Munglo, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. But what? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Oh, I'm freaking myself out here. Freaking myself out here. All right, all right, all right. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Ooh, man, I need to get better at talking while doing. That is a problem of mine, isn't it? Talking while doing, because I tend to get quiet, and then what fun is that if I'm not talking? Um, but we are going to start thinking about who we're going to rate out to. Um, see, who is this? Who's this? Um, well, Tommy, I'm glad that you can use it, but use it as a tool. I'm not. Lunglo, take care. Good night. Thanks for hanging out. As always, I appreciate you. See, but I am looking for somebody, kind of trying to figure somebody to raid that we haven't raided in a while. Or, ooh, okay, I have got us a target. I think. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, cool. All right, so what we need now. If we go the route with the new type of bullet points, we need a way to go through each one. So new. Okay, so we have the new bullet points. And what time is it? Oh, I'm gonna get out before the ads run again, folks. I appreciate you all. Just looking at the time, it's gonna be pretty soon. Take care, Tommy. Appreciate you. Let's see. So let's get all the things out there. If you want to support me further, Kofi is the best place to do it. Not expected, but appreciated. If you have an extra Prime sub that you just want to get rid of, feel free to drop that on me. Also, if you do want to sub, I appreciate it, but it is not required to be here. If you're here, if you like what you've seen, or if you don't and you just want to hate watch, feel free to drop a follow or tell me about it in the Discord. And please, please, please help me break the algorithm over on YouTube, because I'm so close to getting monetized over there. I know, maybe I should make more content, but oh, shit. Oh, okay, not that bad. I had one person on YouTube who waved. All right, I'm gonna end it over there.